Welcome. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through creative testing on consumr.ai, a visual ad validation tool. Everything starts here, in the Calendar tab. Think of it as your research command center. Past campaigns, live surveys, all in one unified view. To kick things off, click New Events in the top right. This is your launchpad into the full consumr.ai suite. Quant or qual, whatever the method, it begins here. Hit New Research Study, and you'll see two paths. Quant, for the hard numbers you can defend in a creative review. Qual, for the motivations and emotions sitting underneath consumer behavior. Today, we're going quant. Quant Survey is built for validation. It's what you reach for when you need data that holds up in a campaign brief or media plan. Inside Quant, you'll find the concept testing family. 3 tools, each built for a different challenge. Product testing for product ideas, message prioritization for value propositions, and creative testing, which is what we're here for today. The creative testing dashboard is where ad images and visual campaign assets get scored against real consumer signals. Creative testing is purpose-built for pre-launch ad validation. It scores your visuals on 3 things that actually matter: appeal, clarity, and intent. Every study starts with audience selection, and this is where AI twins come in. Segmentation is really the foundation of everything that follows. You can map your study to the exact consumer profile that matters for your campaign. Click Check Distribution, and you'll see how your panel breaks down across consumer stages. It's a transparency check, making sure your sample reflects real category dynamics. It also surfaces gaps you might not have noticed, like over-indexing on certain customer groups or underrepresentation. That kind of imbalance can quietly distort your creative scores, and this view catches it early. The default distribution you see is modeled from category penetration and brand market share. So you're starting from a realistic baseline, not a blank slate. But you're never locked in. If your campaign objective calls for something different, adjust freely. Stage filters let you zoom into the customer stages that matter most. You can also build entirely custom distributions from scratch. Next, click Select Creative Type. Select Add Image to open the visual creative testing flow, purpose-built for evaluating display ads, social media creatives, banner ads, and any other static visual headed for paid media placement. Drop in your assets, whatever you have. You can test multiple variations side by side to identify your strongest performer. Choose the platform where your creatives will eventually run: socials, web or hard display, or even outdoors. This context helps frame how AI twins evaluate your assets within their intended environment. Click the Upload area to add your ad image files. Now click Add Questions. This generates a research-grade survey instrument tailored to your creatives. The recommended question sets are built on proven advertising research frameworks, covering visual appeal, message clarity, brand recall, and purchase intent. Or you can pull from a previously saved set in the dropdown. And every question here is fully editable. You can refine wording, swap question types, or remove options that don't fit your specific creative hypothesis or campaign goal. Click into any question to edit the title, change the type, add or remove answer options, or set custom constraints. Hit Save, and the changes lock into your survey instantly. Make sure to save any new question sets to your library. Over time, these become an organizational asset. Once you hit Go, your study deploys to the thousands of modeled respondents reacting to your creatives in parallel. What used to take weeks of ad testing now happens in under 30 minutes. You can monitor progress live from the Calendar or Knowledge tab, and you'll get an email notification the moment your report is ready. When the report lands, you'll see winner identification, creative scorecards, optimization priorities, side-by-side comparisons, raw survey data, already translated into clear recommendations your creative team can act on immediately. Use the action bar to quickly switch between insights, summaries, and detailed transcripts, and notice the bulb icon. That gives you suggested next steps for the study. And if you want to dig deeper, the built-in filters let you slice results by age, gender, region, or consumer stage, surfacing segment-specific creative preferences that aggregate data tends to hide. That's really the whole point of creative testing, replacing gut feel ad approvals with validated consumer evidence. Marketing teams launch stronger creatives, waste less media budget, and drive better campaign performance from day one. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.